All right, we're talking about the COVID-19 situation, and let's talk about Delhi now. Let's take a look at the situation. Cases and the positivity rate in the national capital continues to come down. Will the lockdown end, or that's not the big question Delhiites have been asking? Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal is going to be chairing a crucial meeting to decide on the lockdown in the national capital. The current lockdown was extended earlier till the 1st of June. The meeting comes as the infection rate fell to 1.53%. Along with the Chief Minister of Delhi, the Governor, Anil Baijal, and senior doctors will be attending this meeting to chalk out the plan ahead. The meeting comes at a time when the capital reported 1,072 new cases, 117 deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, a Delhi-based Traders Association has said the Delhi government must now lift restrictions following a drop in cases in the national capital. A survey conducted by the Chamber of Trade and Industry shows that about 80% of the members want the government to reopen markets and factories with strict conditions.
Right now, all the markets in Delhi are closed and there is hardly any kind of economic activities going on in these markets. But now, slowly, but with all the caution, Delhi government wants to open some of the markets and industries in days to come, for which even CM Kejriwal has given some indication. For that, today an important meeting will be held in the chairmanship of Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal, in which even Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Deputy Chief Minister, Health Minister, and even Director All India Institute of Medical Sciences Randeep Guleria will participate along with the chairman of ICMR. So the decision will be taken today according to the present situation, and here on Delhi can expect that there might be some relaxation in the lockdown norms when the current phase of lockdown will end in the morning of coming Monday. With camera person Premchand Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.
What is the Delhi Chief Minister then saying? Listen in to what he said about the possible extension of lockdown again.
अगर इसी तरह से केसेस के कम होने का सिलसिला जारी रहा तो 31 तारीख से फिर हम अनलॉक की प्रक्रिया चालू करेंगे। एकदम से अनलॉक करना ठीक नहीं रहेगा, तो वो भी धीरे धीरे कुछ गतिविधियों को 31 तारीख से फिर हम खोलना चालू करेंगे।
All right, there is a possibility of reopening up, but that's going to be done in a phased manner, is what has been said by the Delhi Chief Minister. Talking about the worst hit areas in the country, the worst hit states.